Hey guys, what's up? It's Alien Pajamas, your local friendly alien. And today's a different kind of video, obviously. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, you already can tell it's already a gaming video anyway, so let's just jump right into it. I don't know. Oh yeah, so at the end of this video, probably I'm gonna have an announcement. So yeah, stick around for that. It's pretty important. There's a person over there, but I want to check over here. Just wilderness out there. Okay. I guess, Wolf! Everyone get inside and lock your doors! Oh. Someone's watching from the window. Hey. Hello? Welcome to Frosting, a friendly town for rabbits. I'm a furry. What's this? Is this a rock? I think it's a rock. It's just a rock. Oh, girl, what's up? I want to check these other houses. Stuff. Probably there's a shopping mall. Locked. Got it. Alright, well, I'm assuming since everything else is locked, I'm just gonna go talk to this girl now. You won't get past me, Wolf. I'm not gonna let you eat any of my friends. Very admirable. Okay. Same thing. Got it. What do I do? I just... Locked. No? No? Okay. Ooh. At least this one doesn't run away. Yeah? It kinda can't. It's not magic. Ooh. You aren't rabbits, are you? Folks like you are a danger to this town. We won't let you through. Annie's exactly right. Scram, carnivorous beast. Okay. Hey, you rotten wolf! How dare you wander into our town and scare our children? You best stay away from now on. I'm sorry. I'm so sad. Oh, can I move? Oh, okay. It says vacant. Empty. Should I assume this is mine? It is. Okay. Unless it's just some other random person's house and I just walked in. 2 months later. Hungry. You know, I have a nice place. Thanks for keeping me warm. Not very comfortable. Some old painting. Got it. Let's check our fridge. Empty. Oh, okay. Oh. We're a bundle of sadness, aren't we? Or something warm? Yes. Got a nice warmness. So I'm just gonna well. Probably die if I fell from here. Yeah? Yeah. Hot Springs, currently closed for renovations. We apologize for the inconvenience. Rabbit Town. Maybe. I guess I don't really have to go through here. I'll just go over here. The foxes live that way. Oh, Jesus. Is this by district? Oh, man. I'm gonna go down. What's over here? These birds. You can't pass without authorization. Oh. Okay. Let's go over here again. Hey, fam, what's up? I'm crossing your territory again. This way, to the wilderness area. No? Oh, I won't find anything good to eat out in the wilderness. I guess. I mean, I don't know much about the wilderness. How about over here? We cut through these trees. No? Okay. What over here? No? Okay, it's just dead end. A sign. What's this? Road closed. And what? Wait, hold on. That sign wasn't there before. Who put that there? Who put you there? Whatever. Okay, well, no wolves allowed. Jeez, what did I do? Are you girls still here? Oh, you're gone. Okay. Dun, do, 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 do. Do, do, do. It shouldn't bother them. True. Probably shouldn't, because I'm a wolf. Eat sake. Okay. They've also got some nice houses. Oh, I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, enemy hot springs. Got it. No? Okay. Rock. Anyone around? No? Where am I supposed to find food? When will you finally stop terrorizing our poor little town? Go away! Jeez. Dude. Oh, it's the same thing? Okay. Fine. Gonna make some friends. Where do I go? Where do I find food? How does one find food? Are there like berries or something? Like, what do wolves eat actually? They eat animals, yes. I wonder if trees can feel the cold. Yeah, that's a good question. Okay, well. I just talked to every single house until I fed something. Okay. Easy enough, I guess. No one's home. Got it. The grocery store. That should be. Oh, it is. I like you. I'll buy one. Okay. Just take it and get out of here. Sorry. Hey, Wolf! Why are you always coming here to buy food? Why don't you just starve and die? You haven't snapped and eaten everyone yet, but that doesn't mean you're not gonna. One day you will, and I'll be here to stop you. I won't eat anyone. If you're not here to eat us, then go back to where you came from. But the avalanche. I don't care where you go, as long as you stop coming here and buying food from Danny. That was a guy, or was that a girl? I don't know. Girls have a name, Danny. If you ever lay a paw on him, I won't forgive you. That was a guy? Go home then. Sorry, I was checking to see if it was recording. Just need to boil some water now. Okay. I'm so hungry. Save me! Wolf! I'm surrounded, I can't escape. What? I'm sorry for barging in. Please don't eat me. Huh? Really? You won't eat me? I won't. Oh, thank goodness! Fox was chasing me. I was worried and I couldn't make it back home and your door was unlocked, so... It's okay. Thank you for understanding. And thank you for not eating me. I knew a wolf lives around here, but I didn't expect to meet you like this. Do you want to go home? Huh? You mean, you scare the fox off for me? Sure, if you want. Wow! Even though you're a wolf, you're so super nice. Thank you. My name's Mochi. What's yours? Treat. Alright, Treat. Help me get back home. Okay. I wonder where that fox is hiding. Move? Okay, I'm moving. Oh. What's up, fam? Yeah, wolf! Tick! You stole my prey! I won't forget this! You really scared her off. Thanks, Treat. Sure. No problem. I'd like to repay you somehow. Is there anything I can do? No? That's okay. I didn't do anything worth being repaid for. But you totally helped me out. I'm not gonna leave until you can... I'm not gonna leave until I can do something for you in return. Uh-oh. The cabinet's so cute. I like your chair. Oh. There's no fire. Aren't you cold? Not really. Sure, you look so skinny. You can't keep warm with no body fat. There's no food in you. Yeah. Treat, I know what I can do for you. I'm gonna make you a nice dinner. Do you like curry? I've never had it before. You gotta try it. It's my favorite. That's why I want to make it for you. Plus, you'll have leftovers to eat later. I really don't have to. I want to. So just let me do this one thing, okay? I've got all the ingredients in my house. Let's go together. Okay? This is great. This is cute. My place isn't too far from here. Just follow this path all the way to the end. That's where my house is. Okay. There's no rush or anything. You can go at whatever pace you want. Okay. This is great. I love this game. Wait, there's a person over there. I'm gonna Ah! Wolf! Hey, it's okay. She may be a wolf, but Treat is actually really nice. Huh? You're lying. There's no such thing as a nice wolf. They're all horrible monsters. Oh. But she really is nice. She saved me from a fox. What if she wanted you to herself? She's tricking you. You better watch out, or you'll get eaten. I shouldn't have bothered him. Treat, you didn't do anything wrong. Let's just go, okay? Yeah, one never runs away. I like the snowman. Or snow rabbit. My frame rate's dropping. All the way to the end. Which one is it this one? It is. Alright, got the curry powder, veggies, and most importantly, the carrots. But, there's something about rice. Hey, Mochi, you don't have to do this. We can just forget about the curry. Are you kidding? No way! We'll just have to run to the store. Why would you buy me food? Because I want to feed you, silly. I owe you one. And I'm going to need to buy rice either way, so don't feel bad. You're persistent. That's right. I said I'd make you curry, so I'm definitely going to make you some sweet, delicious curry. Let's go. Is curry sweet? I sort of associated curry with being, like, spicy or something, you know, not necessarily sweet. I guess, you know, figuratively, in some way, sweet does work, I guess. I don't know. Mochi, what are you doing bringing that wolf in here? Shopping, of course. I'm out of rice. Could I buy some? It's not going to be the wolf, is it? Her name is Treat, and she saved me from a fox today. I'm making curry to repay her kindness. You can't. When you feed wolves, they just stick around even longer. You don't want to live in a town full of wolves, do you? No, but this one's nice. Even though she looks super hungry, she never once tried to eat me up. You still shouldn't feed wolves, but your cousin would get mad at me if I denied your service. Here's the rice, kiddo. Thanks, Danny. I'll tell Juju you did me a solid, okay? Hey, Mochi. What is it? Are you finally getting excited for the curry? I just need to ask. Are you doing this all out of pity? Huh? Like I said, I want to repay you. But I barely did anything. You don't want the curry, do you? Even though I promise it'll be really good. That isn't a problem. Oh, I know what we need. Meat. I can't believe I nearly forgot. We can probably buy some off foxes. It's west of here, right? To reach where the foxes live? That sure changed your mind fast. But I'm a little scared. You'll have to protect me, okay? Oh, my parents are here. Oh, okay. I think that's a good time to stop this episode because, well, for one, my parents are here, and two, it's, you know, a good place to stop. So, yeah, okay. That ends this first episode. I'm probably going to continue doing more because this game is actually quite a treat. See what I did there? Okay, yeah. So, yeah. See you around. Announcement at the end of this video. After this, so, yeah. Okay. Alien outie. So you decided to stay and listen to the announcements, even though I clearly said it wasn't really all that important. Well, I mean, I actually didn't say that. I wrote it in the video, but I mean, hey, it's not really all that important. But I mean, I might as well say it anyway, because, you know, we're all in this together if you're watching it. But this is about the Insomnia series. If you follow me on Instagram and all that, you'll know that I'm currently on a hiatus for it because, you know, mostly because of college. You know, it's a lot to do and stuff. But also because there's going to be a few changes to it.
One being the current series that I'm on, Façade, is gonna be. So it was originally gonna be 9 or 10 episodes long, but I'm gonna cut it short by one episode because one of the songs that I had in mind, no matter how many times I've like tried it, like I just couldn't get the groove and stuff. Like I don't know, it didn't really work out along with the story and everything. I don't know, it wasn't exactly working. So I'm just gonna remove one of the songs. But this isn't gonna change the story at all or anything. It's just gonna yeah, I mean it's just a minor detail really, honestly. So it's not that big of a deal. And the other change is originally it was gonna be a 3-part series. But there is gonna be a fourth series, a short series. I'm not sure entirely sure how long it's gonna be in terms of like how many episodes there are, but it's it's a new change. Yeah, so we can once I actually get back on track with videos and stuff like that, the episodes and all. Yeah, we can get a little more into that. So yeah, that was it. Um, yeah, I did this video because, well, just to sort of at least post something, even though it's not an episode. Just to show you guys that I'm alive. I'm not dead. Yeah, I'm still here, alive. Yeah. Okay, that was all. So yeah. Uh, so yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever. I don't know whenever you're watching this. And yeah. Hope you have a good one. And I'll see you soon. All right. Goodbye. Oh, and remember, don't worry about it.